So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin ang claymore ng mga fans ng Gilas Pilipinas kabola. Nadagdagan na itong pool po ng Gilas kabola. At sumagot na si Coach Tim Cone, and then we will suggest a form team deal kabola around sa mga rumors na nilabas si Snow Badwa. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, well, pindutin naman po yung subscription button. Sa mga fans muna tayo. Mayari Mascarinhas, pasyarot naman na idol. Thank you so much. Magugulat na lang, hintayin na lang ang development sa San Miguel Beerman. Handa na ba kayong magulat? Diba? Maria Teresa Agrosole, sana matuloy na sa TNT. And then Ronald Perbusidad, pa-shout out sir. So pag-usapan natin, no? There is of course, nung nagtatalo po itong Gilas Pilipinas in the last window, fans and even analysts kabola, the good, yung mga matatalinong mga minds po sa basketball dito sa Pilipinas, clamored for additions in the Gilas pool kabola. Now, that's logical. The claimor is very logical kabola. Kasi nga naman, the injury piled up for this window kabola. Kita natin yung fatigue kabola, doon lumabas din, kumbaga, yung isa po sa mga hindi po strength ng isang coach Tim Cone, di ba? He always over-rely. Nakikita na rin natin yan sa PBA, and he showed that in Gilas kabola. So, fans, claymore, it's time. Sabi namin sa inyo, they need to add more people in the Gilas pool. And again, that is a correct, logical opinion kabola. Then, sumagot si Coach Tim Cone. Ang sabi po ni Coach Tim Cone, kabola, simple lang. Simple lang po. It's not that simple. We came in with a program and we're going to stick to the program as much as we can. In short, kabola, he will still not add players in the pool. That's the decision of Coach Tim Cone, kabola. At of course, ang daming nagalit with this opinion, with this decision of Coach Tim Cone. They continue to state they need this, they need to add, kita na natin, and etc. What these people do not understand, kabola, right now, is that they are looking one-sided in the negative lang po nitong decision na ito ng isang Coach Tim Cone. They forgot, they always forgot, kapag talagang nagtatatalo na, malagi nating nakakalimutan yung greatness ng isang Coach Tim Cone. That always happen in the PBA. You know what makes Coach Tim Cone great, kabola? As a coach, as a winning coach, is that he is always looking on the long term. He always shows that in the PBA. Diba? When early part of a tournament, nagtatalo sila, pero at the end, sila pa rin yung mag-champion. That always happen, kabola, kasi si Coach Tim Cone, that's his style. It's long-term thinking. It's long-term thinking. Long-term game planning, kabola. Long-term building. That's the style of Coach Tim Cone. And ina-apply niya lang po yan sa Gilas Pilipinas. So for me, again, yung claymore to add more players in the pool, that's logical. Pero for me, I will still trust Coach Tim Cone. I will still trust this guy. Hindi pa panahon para magpanic. Hindi pa panahon para sisihin siya. Hindi pa panahon para, kumbaga, i-crucify siya, kabola. Trust should still be there for Coach Tim Cone and the Gilas team.
So ito na kabola, ito ating trade suggestion. So 4 na teams yung involved, kabola. So composition po ito ng 3 na trades. The first trade will be SMB receiving Aram and Aurin, while TNT receive Tautua and Teng. So baka lang equal trade lang kumbaga kabola, diba? Diba may rumor, kung maalala nyo, na SMB daw or SMC interested kay Aram. So parang yun po yung maging trade dito. So Aram and Tautua, magkaedaran lang yan kabola. Basically San Miguel will get the younger guy, Aurin kabola, while TNT will get the healthier Moala Tautua. Parang ganun yung trade na to eh. And then at the very least, more promising po ng Jeron Teng. Then the trade 2 now will be for TNT and Blackwater. TNT, makukuha nila si Bearfield, di ba kabola? Ito yung sinasabi po ni Snow Badwa. Bearfield will still be going to TNT. Blackwater naman will be Tautua, Teng, and yung rights na nga po kay Mikey Williams, kabola. So, ang ibig sabihin ba yan, mas valuable yung Bearfield kaysa kay Williams? Of course, di ba? Age-wise, malaki na po yung difference. And of course, we know na kahit pa sabihin na Mikey Williams na gusto na pong bumalik niya sa PBA, kabola, the risk, kabola, na hindi siya magtutuloy-tuloy or 1 season or 2 seasons lang siya will always be there. So, yung trade value niya, kabola, hindi mo talaga i-equate dun sa value niya po on court. Then lastly, Converge Blackwater now will receive Williams, Justin Chua, and a second round pick in exchange for Jayo Amboat and Shawnee Winston. So, kabola, parang ano nito, of course, for me, mas malaki pa rin po yung trade value ng isang Winston kaysa kay Mikey Williams. Kabola. A little bit, hindi naman ganun kalaki. Kasi nga, of course, proven na natin yung Mikey Williams. Kabola. And Winston, still promising, pero nakita rin naman natin na mukhang hindi niya. Yung kanya pong ceiling, kabola, is hindi yung ceiling natin nung pumasok siya sa draft. Then, of course, Chua and the second round pick, I think naman, is mas mabigat ng konti kaysa kay Amboat. So, in totality, sa balagay ko, this trade is fair. So, overall, ang totality po nito, kabola, is that SMB will receive Aram and Aurin. Converge naman is Williams, Chua, and second round pick. While Blackwater will be Tautua, Teng, Ambot, Shawnee Winston. And then, of course, TNT, Bearfield. Kawaban, sino panalo sa trade na to? Kami na po sa baba.